Okay, YouTubers, this is what we're going to do right here. Serving board, or it has other names.
Okay, YouTubers, we're going to do a serving board on the CNC, and I'll show you how I did mine. Now I drew this out, so I'm not going to do that. That takes quite a while to do that. So I have an ellipse here, and I'm going to bring that onto the board. And we're going to go to the modeling tool and the create shape tool. We're going to choose this top one, this dome. Our angle is going to be 30 degrees. No base height. Scale to exact height. We're going to use that. It's going to be a ½ inch, 0.5. Okay, down here it's set to add. We're going to subtract. And we're going to name this bowl. And we're going to apply. We're going to close. We're going to bring down the zero plane. We're going to choose the 3D finish toolpath. It's going to be a ball nose, a 1/4 inch. I have it set to 6% step over. No boundary offset. We're going to calculate that. Okay, there's our dish. All right, what I didn't cover is when we start our drawing, single-sided. The width of my wood is 10 inches. The height was 23. The thickness was 0.9. Our 0 is the material surface. The datum is lower left. And I use a very high resolution. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of pretty this thing up a little bit. So I'm going to choose a circle here, and it's going to be a ½ inch. And we're going to close. All right, we're going to choose that. Hit N for node edit. We're going to go up here and left click and then right click, and we're going to cut vector. We're going to go here to 3 o'clock, do the same thing, cut vector, go back to the N. All right, now we're going to delete this part. And because we're going to need another one of these, we're going to choose a 1 inch circle, create, close. Now we're going to move this because we don't want this right on top of that. Okay, go to N, node edit, do the same thing again. We're going to cut vector, go to the 3 o'clock, cut vector, go back to N. Okay, now we're going to delete. All right, that's our cross sections. What we're going to do now is go to the molding tool path, and we're going to select this inner circle here. Make sure the gap is no gap. And we're going to choose this little one here. And those orange lines are pointed out, so we're going to change the direction of this. So you right click on this, reverse direction, calculate, and we're going to preview this. Okay, and that goes in. That's what we wanted. Close. We'll go back to the 2D, and now we're going to choose this outside edge right here. Go back to our molding toolpath, and this is already selected. We're going to select the large one here. And now again, that is in the wrong direction, so we're going to have to reverse the direction. Make sure this is set no gap. Reset the preview. Okay, that's not right. We'll go back again. Reverse the direction. Make sure that gap, no gap. Calculate. Preview. Okay, that's what we want. That rounded edge. Okay, if you get an error message that said that the profile will not fit, it's usually because that you have to reverse the direction. So try that if you have any difficulty. Okay, the next thing is we need to choose this, because we're going to pocket this out. And go here to pocket. Our depth is set up already. I set it to 0.95 because we want to cut right through this thing. The end mill is a 0.25. Everything else looks good here. We're going to calculate. It's warning us that it'll cut through, and that's what we want. Okay, let's do all, preview all the toolpaths. Okay, and that's what we want. We're looking good. Okay, back to the 2D drawing. We're going to choose this line right here, and we're going to go to offset. We're going to offset outwards 0.3 inches offset. Okay, we're going to go here to the profile toolpath. Start 0, cut to 0.95. It's an end mill, and it's set to 51%. That's what I had it run at. And we're cutting the outside right. We definitely want it to be on the outside of that line. And we're going to add tabs, and I used 5. And want to make sure that this is in a bad place right here. So I brought mine up here. And we can move this down some. Actually, I'm going to move this down some more. Get it away from that, the corner. That looks okay. This, I want to get away from that corner too. Okay, and I'm going to move this one down here because it's too close to the edge. We're going to cut, some of this will cut away, so just want to, okay, we're going to call that good. We're going to close that and calculate. It's warning us that it'll cut through. That's what we want. Okay. Reset the preview. Preview all toolpaths. Well, there's our serving board. So now we need to take this to the machine and cut it.
Okay, YouTubers, we're finished our serving board. If you liked it, please subscribe. Leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you if you want to see more like this. And you can do the click the bell, and that will notify you when I have a new video. Thanks for watching.